Hi, I'm Jackie with WEBii, and today I want to talk just briefly about your website maintenance and how important that is to any business and any organization. I often am asked, why should I care? I'm just a small little business, or I'm just a small nonprofit or a local organization, and these hackers don't care about me or don't know about me, so why would they mess up my website? Well, unfortunately, the truth is that doesn't really matter. Hackers will look for any kind of vulnerability and opportunity, and they have different motivations for wanting to disrupt things. Uh, it's very common for them to hack a website in order to hack something else. So to implant malware, for example, that will attack other things. So just make sure that you understand that your type of business doesn't really matter. The type of innocent little website that you have doesn't mean you shouldn't protect it. Everyone should be concerned about security today. The other kind of myth that I want to clear up here is it's not one particular software that's vulnerable. There's a lot of chit chat on the web about someone preferring WordPress or someone not preferring WordPress or wanting to shy away from WordPress or not use X, Y, or Z because of security. And oftentimes that is very misleading because every software needs to be maintained. Technology is always changing. Vulnerabilities can pop up in very quality software that just becomes discovered by security companies, by bug hunters, by hackers. So it's important to update any software you choose. And there are a lot of quality options available, including custom created applications. So when we develop a web application that's a custom, it may not necessarily be on the popular list like something like WordPress. However, technology will change, the version of PHP will change, the databases will change, and therefore they still need to be paid attention to over time. So keep in mind these 2 points in your head. Everyone needs the security, everyone needs maintenance, no matter what type of business. And every software type and platform type should be considered. There's not just one bad seed. So keep these things in mind and you will be in much better shape. Coordinate with your web development team, your marketing team, and your IT team, and you will have a great future on the web.